The fascinating relationship between sound energy and everyday phenomena is exemplified by the remarkable statistic that if you were to yell continuously for 8 years, 7 months, and 6 days, you would produce enough sound energy to heat a single cup of coffee. This intriguing fact underscores not only the nature of sound as a form of energy but also highlights the inefficiency of sound waves as a means of energy transfer compared to other forms. Sound energy, while perceptible and impactful in communication and expression, dissipates rapidly in the environment, losing intensity as it travels through air or any other medium. For instance, consider the passionate screams of sports fans during a tense game. While their vocal exertions create an electrifying atmosphere, the energy produced is fleeting and cannot be easily harnessed for practical uses. To put this into perspective, the average adult might emit around 80 decibels during a yell, which is considerably loud. Yet this energy dissipates quickly and does not translate into significant thermal energy. By understanding this concept, we gain insight into the broader principles of energy conversion and the law of conservation of energy, illuminating the intricate ways in which we interact with our environment through sound. This also serves as a reminder of the remarkable efficiency of other energy